Hi guys, if you're a regular to my channel, then you'll know about my you know what you know about my video what I had. Yeah, you know about that, don't you? The new one which just came out. I think it's called Hunger Games with Buds. I'm sorry to say something went really wrong with it, and it like stopped my voice. It made my voice not work, and you'll just see my face popping out a little bit. That's because I'm getting my other game out. Recent playing on COD Ghost with my bud. So yeah, you won't see my face for a couple of minutes. But I'm still going to be speaking, as you can hear me now. Ooh, this is this. Yeah, that's a bit gay, but I'm just gonna leave nobody, get ready, get faster. Put it in. So I'm very sorry about that, guys. I think it's because this thing what I'm using called Capture is like the rubbishest thing in the world for YouTube recording. So maybe it's like the most recommended thing to use for a phone on YouTube, but yeah, you cannot pause it at all. Believe me, guys, you cannot pause it. Tried it. That's what made my voice go very silent. So, it's a bit bad, that isn't it? Yeah. So sorry, it's been a very short video, but yeah, new video up tomorrow about 4 o'clock. That's when I'm filming. So I'll see you then. Adios, mi amigos.